What are the main emission sources of air pollution? Imagine a world where the air we breathe is clean and fresh every day. Sadly, many human activities releases pollutants into the air that can harm both health and the environment. Understanding where these pollutants come from helps us find ways to reduce pollution and protect our planet. Most air pollution comes from human activities that burn fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas. When we drive cars and trucks powered by petrol or diesel, they emit harmful gases such as carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, and tiny particles called particulate matter. These emissions not only pollute the air but also react with sunlight to form smog and ground-level ozone, which can cause breathing problems. Roads filled with vehicles are a major source of nitrogen oxides and fine particles that can penetrate deep into our lungs. Power plants that burn coal or natural gas to generate electricity are another big contributor. These facilities releases sulfur oxides, nitrogen oxides, and particulate matter into the air. Industrial factories also add to pollution by releasing chemicals and dust during manufacturing processes. Regions with many factories often see higher levels of air pollution because of these emissions. Agriculture plays a role too. Livestock like cows and sheep produce methane during digestion, which is a potent greenhouse gas that also contributes to ozone formation. Rice paddies, when flooded, releases methane as well. Farmers sometimes use fertilizers that releases ammonia, and dust from plowing fields can add to local air pollution. Residential activities, such as cooking and heating, also releases pollutants. Using wood, coal, or oil in stoves and heaters produces smoke and particulate matter that can affect indoor and outdoor air quality. In colder months, burning fuels for warmth can increase pollution levels in neighborhoods. Waste management is another source. When organic waste decomposes in landfills without enough oxygen, it produces methane gas that escapes into the air. If not captured, this methane adds to pollution and climate change. Natural sources contribute too. Wildfires, often worsened by human activity, releases large amounts of smoke and soot into the air. Volcanic eruptions and dust storms also send particles into the atmosphere, but human-made sources are responsible for most of the pollution we face daily. Knowing these sources helps us target efforts to cut down emissions. Switching to cleaner energy, improving vehicle technology, and managing waste better can all make a difference. By understanding how human actions impact air quality, we can work toward a cleaner, healthier environment for everyone.